Hi, my name is Mohammed Ayanafiz, and today we are going to discuss about infrastructures as code IAC with AWS CloudFormation and AWS CDK. First is the introduction to infrastructure as code IAC. Welcome to the next topic, infrastructure as code or IAC with AWS. Infrastructure as code allows developers to manage and provision cloud resources using code rather than manual configuration. This approach brings automation, version control, and consistency to infrastructure management. With AWS services like CloudFormation and the AWS Cloud Development Kit (CDK), developers can easily define, deploy, and maintain their environments using repeatable automated processes. Now, the understanding of AWS CloudFormation. AWS CloudFormation helps you model and set up AWS resources automatically. You write a template in YAML JSON that defines all the resources you need, such as EC2 instances, S3 buckets, and IAM roles. When you deploy the template, CloudFormation provisions those resources for you in the correct order. This ensures consistency, reduces configuration errors, and simplifies infrastructure management. Now, the introduction to AWS CDK. The AWS Cloud Development Kit or CDK allows developers to define infrastructure using familiar programming languages like TypeScript, Python, or Java. It compiles your code into CloudFormation templates behind the scenes, allowing you to use loops, conditionals, and variables to build infrastructure dynamically. This makes infrastructure management more developer friendly, reusable, and adaptable to changing project needs. Now, creating a CloudFormation template. Let's look at how you can create a CloudFormation template. You start by writing a YAML or JSON file that describes all the AWS resources your application needs. You then upload that file to the AWS CloudFormation console or deploy it via the AWS CLI. CloudFormation then uses this template to create a stack, a collection of resources that it manages as a single unit. When you need to make changes, simply update your template or redeploy. It will automatically apply the modifications. Thank you.